Hey y'all, it's Sekoya and I'm back with another video. I am starting off by using 100% Kaneka braiding hair. I did get the 3 for $5 deal from my local beauty supply store. And I have already started with my hair parted in the sections that I want my braids to go in, if that makes sense. As it gets towards the end, you'll see what I mean. I did 2 major sections. So I'm using the Twist Defining Cream by As I Am just for a little extra moisturization. And I have already parted my section in the back for the first braid. I'm putting the cream on it, and I did also detangle with my Denman brush. So I'm just going to start off normally how I would braid. And I also have other videos on the feed-in method. So this is really just another feed-in method tutorial. I have started the braid and I'm sectioning a piece that's on the right hand side or at the top of the braid, however you want to look at it, and that is where I'm going to add the hair in. Every time I get ready to feed the hair in, I always make sure that that piece that I feed in will be on the right hand side or at the top of the braid. It makes it way more seamless. You don't know where the extension hair begins and your hair ends. It's not bulky, it's not lumpy or anything like that. So this, I find that doing it on the right side makes it super seamless. And I'm starting off just by adding really small pieces in the beginning. As I grab more hair and continue the braid, I will pick up adding thicker pieces so that it looks more realistic. Again, get one from the top or the right hand side and then just add your hair in and keep on braiding. And I am speeding it up for you because, like I said, I do have several other tutorials or videos on here where I did the feed-in method. As I get towards the end, I do like to put product on the end just so that my hair stays within the braid and you can't really see the scraggly ends of my hair, because I did not blow my hair out before I started braiding. Usually when you blow your hair out, it will blend a little bit better with the braiding hair. So I like to put some kind of either edge control, some kind of gel, or really I love to use Gorilla Snot for the ends, and it blends seamlessly. As you can see, I've parted the next section, put my Twist Defining Cream on it, and I'm detangling with my Denman brush to begin braiding the next braid. Now I'm at the front. Now with the front, when I start the braids off, I use extra small pieces so that it blends and it looks natural. Because if I come in trying to add a thick piece of braiding hair, it's gonna look stupid. So when you get to the front where your edges are, you want to make sure you add minimal hair, and then you continue braiding on and add the hair in as you go. Add more hair in as you go. Now because these braids towards the top of my head are going in the opposite direction, remember when I said you add the hair in on the right hand side or the top? It's easiest to remember right hand side, no matter what direction the braid is going, right hand side, because as you can see with this braid, it would be right hand side or down, just because like I said, it's going in a different direction than my other braids were going. With this style, I believe I used about 2 packs of hair. I don't think I used any more than 2 packs of hair. I can't remember how many exactly I used because I actually braided my hair a long time ago. But of course me, I'm just now getting the video posted for you guys. Okay, that's the finished look. I just put my hair in a bun because I did not feel like having all the braids hanging and all of that. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye y'all.